Welcome back to Mindy's and AI Trading, where data meets precision. In today's video, we're diving into a critical Ethereum update that could signal a major market move. But before we start, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It really helps us reach more traders like you. Now, before we look at the new developments, let's quickly rewind and take a look at what we shared in our previous ETH video. This will give you the full picture before we dive into today's important update. Most people know RSI as an overbought or oversold indicator. But today, we'll use it differently. We're focusing on RSI trend lines, just like price trend lines. And here's the interesting part. When RSI breaks a long-term descending resistance, price often follows with a strong upward move. As you can see here, we've marked all previous RSI trendline breakouts on Ethereum. Let's review them one by one. After the 2018 bear market, RSI formed a downtrend line. In mid-2020, RSI broke it, and that marked the start of a longer recovery rally. Again, after the 2021 peak, RSI dropped and formed another descending line. In early 2023, RSI broke out, and price followed, climbing from $1,000 to over $4,000. So here's what's new. In our last analysis, we pointed out that ETH RSI was approaching a critical descending trend line. And now, it looks like it finally happened. Ethereum's RSI has broken above that trend line, but caution is still needed. Why? Because confirmation hasn't arrived yet. In technical analysis, we always wait for a candle close above a trend line. And right now, we still need the current weekly candle to close above it. Even more importantly, we want to see next week's candle open and stay above that trend line. Only then can we say with confidence, this is a real breakout. While this breakout looks promising, there's something we must consider, and that's the stochastic RSI. Currently, the stock RSI is above 90, signaling that the market may be entering overbought conditions. That doesn't mean price must reverse right away, but historically, these zones often lead to short-term cooling. So, how do we balance the bullish RSI breakout with an overheated stock RSI? It's all about timing and confirmation, and that's why patience in the next 1 to 2 weeks is key. Now here's where it gets really interesting. If we zoom out and look back to February 2020, we find a nearly identical situation. Ethereum's RSI had also broken above a long-term trend line, while the stock RSI was sitting above 90, exactly like today. What happened next? After a short consolidation, ETH exploded upward, triggering one of the strongest bull runs in recent history. This is a powerful reminder. When RSI trend lines break at the right time, the results can be massive. Could we be looking at something similar today? That's the big question, and one we'll continue to monitor. So what do you think? Is this RSI breakout the beginning of a major rally, or will the overbought stock RSI slow things down first? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. We read every one. And remember, if you don't want to miss the moment, subscribe now, and we'll follow it together. This is Mindagas from Mindy's and AI Trading. See you in the next one.